So we're going to take our head of cauliflower and we want to cut it up into little bite-sized pieces. We're going to try to get our pieces evenly sized. So I'm going to cut all this off the bottom. This is about the size of the piece we want. Now I'm going to take my cauliflower and put it in a pot of boiling water. Oops, I'll lose a little bit of it. So I've been boiling my cauliflower for exactly 10 minutes from the time I put it in there. So it took a few minutes to come back to a boil, but it's just about right now. So I'm going to strain it. Okay, while my cauliflower is in the sink, drain it, I'm going to throw 3 tablespoons of butter in. I'll let that melt. Okay, while my oven is preheating at 400 degrees, I'm going to spray the baking dish with some oil. Okay, so at this point we're going to put our cauliflower in. Spread it out relatively evenly. And I'm going to put the camera down and put some salt and pepper in here. Okay, a lot of times when we're making mac and cheese, even fake mac and cheese, use a cheese sauce. This time, make it simple. Just going to use cheese right from Aldi. So it's a 3-cup bag. We're putting a whole bag in. I'm going to mix that around a little bit. Okay. All right, the oven's ready. So at this point, I'm going to put a little Parmesan cheese on top. I like to sprinkle that in. And this is, I just estimate how much you think you want. All right, after 10 minutes of baking, it looks pretty good. So at this point, I'm going to turn the broiler on at high. If you're anything like me, a broiler's scary to use because you often walk away and start burning things. So just want to be careful with how long you leave it on. Okay. All right, so I did 5 minutes on a high broil, and you can see it. It crisped up pretty nice. Okay, so here it is.